Hi, my name is Kyle Zimpleman. I'm a local real estate investor here in the Southeast Michigan area. I've been doing this about 20 years. Had a lot more hair back in the day, so we've seen a lot of different challenges in this business. And so I'm here if you are looking to get rid of your headache or to move on to the next thing in your life where you rather have the cash than the property. And so that's what we help out with doing. I've been doing this, like I said, about 20 something years. I'm a licensed real estate broker. We are not looking to list your house. We're looking to give you a fair offer on your house that makes sense to all parties. We handle repairs, we handle just about everything, and we walk you through the transition. So with a professional, how you would do any other transaction. So if that sounds like you and you're looking to at least get an idea of an offer of what an investor can do for you to buy your house quick if needed, give me a call, text, or email. Talk to you soon. Thanks.